Hello and welcome to our weekly news highlights. Here are the top stories you can't miss this week. First up, a breakthrough in preventive heart care. Scientists at Johns Hopkins University have developed an AI model named Mars that can predict heart attack risks well in advance, especially in young people. By analyzing MRI scans and medical records, this deep learning system detects subtle heart injuries often missed by doctors. With an accuracy rate of up to 93% for ages between 40 and 60, this could revolutionize early diagnosis, reduce unnecessary treatment, and save countless lives. Next, India embraces AI for safer roads. The central government has approved the country's first AI-based road safety pilot in Uttar Pradesh. This tech-driven initiative led by ITI Limited and M-Logica aims to analyze road data and identify accident-prone black spots using big data analytics. Real-time dashboards will aid quick decisions, potentially cutting road fatalities. The project also promises modernized licensing, enforcement, and e-challan systems to streamline traffic management. In sports news, a bold move sparks national debate. EaseMyTrip has withdrawn sponsorship from the India vs Pakistan match in the World Championship of Legends 2025, citing national sentiment. Founder Nishant Pitti said, "Terror and cricket can't go hand in hand." Players like Shikhar Dhawan and Harbhajan Singh have also opted out. Despite the controversy, India enters the semi-finals after a thrilling chase led by Stuart Binney against West Indies. Now celebrating silent heroes of Indian science, ISRO scientist Shubhradeep Ghosh from Kolkata is playing a pivotal behind-the-scenes role in the NASA ISRO Nisar satellite launch. As liquid propulsion system lead, he's ensured precise fuel management of the GSLV Mk2 rocket. With experience in over 25 missions including Chandrayaan and Aditya L1, Ghosh exemplifies the quiet dedication driving India's space success. Finally, progress on India's electric vehicle front. Over 4,500 EV public charging stations have been installed on highways across India, with Uttar Pradesh leading the count. Under the PM E-Drive scheme, the centre aims to set up 72,000 more stations with a 2,000 crore rupees budget. This expansion, including Tier 2 cities, is improving EV adoption and making long-distance travel easier for electric vehicle owners. That's all for this week. Stay tuned for more stories highlighting innovation, impact, and progress from across India.